Hello. So, ano man naman? Galisod man ta mag-English. Ano na, Bear? What's that?
This is pancake.
It's a pancake? Oh.
I'm eating it.
So,
It's
ba't
so
nag-English? Ang hirap. English speaking kasi.
some.
Ito. Yes. Can you give me one?
Just bite some.
No, you bite it already. It's yummy.
It's like,
Bali, ano lang.
hey.
I'm trying to experiment on myself. Medyo nasanay na ako sa English. Siguro magtatagalog na lang ako.
No.
Yummy? And
I open it. That's enough.
mag-try ako
That's
ng ano.
enough, Papa. Enough.
Okay. Gumawa. Anong mag-try? I will do my best to make YouTube videos for the sake of my... Wait, I don't have something to say. For the sake of trying it, enjoying it, and also documenting myself because I'm nag-in-English na naman. Ano, kasi yun, Tagalog na lang. Medyo hirap akong anong hirap? Di ko trip yung magsulat, kaya I think kaysa gumawa ko ng journal, eto na lang. It's the best alternative for me. Ang shaky ng hands ko. Alternative for me para parang meron akong makita na ano, tawag dito, reference, parang journal din yung basihan ng ano, ng ginagawa ko kung saan ba dapat i-improve, mga ganun. Hi Ver, come here. Ito medyo hirap kasi English speaking kasi siya, kaya medyo hirap din ako sa Tagalog, pero hindi masyadong hirap talaga, at saka yung sa English. Basta ganun, nagkagulo. Ang hirap paliwanag. Oh. Hi. Say hi. What you doing? You're making your face ugly.
Yes, I'm making it like this. Like
Why?
a tit.
Or like a tit?
It's like a vampire.
Vampire? Okay, I'm sorry. So, I think the video will end now. And, wala lang. Try ko lang.
This is a vampire.